to call you Feitai?
Feitai? Wow,
total transformation, man. Total transformation. What was the toughest thing about losing weight to get from Feitai to like Fittai? Am I saying this right? Right. That's going to help you to do this challenge, this whole mindset thing, right? Absolutely right. Any last words to say to Benny before he takes to the helm?
Oh, from Feitai to this Fittai, he will go all the way.
All the way, all the way. And King is going to be there to push you on. Give up for Benny! Guys, it is about time. Yes, it is. And that's why you gotta be calm, you gotta be composed. If you fall down or you drop the ball or anything happens, we will deduct, we will add scores, okay? We'll add seconds to your final score. Okay, Benny? Benny, when are we ready? Woo! 1, 2, 3. He needs 10,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Benny needs to be calm and composed because if he falls down, 20 seconds. He cannot touch the chains. If he does, Benny's going to go 2. Is he going to go 3? Now here's the big thing as well. The longer he stays 2 minutes on the clock. By far the fastest contestant so far. Let's see how many minutes. Okay, you got that, Manny. Total recall. Make sure you remember which comes first. Right. 1. 3 more to go. Breathe, Benny, breathe. Yeah. There you go. Hey, Benny! Big Benny! Come on, Big Benny! Keith, he's doing really well, man. Yeah! Waiting. Yep. 2 more. Come on, Benny, you're gonna be a fat man. Flying to the cross. 2:57 on the clock. Yeah.